Welcome to the ScalperIntel Setup and Activation Guide. This step-by-step video will walk you through everything you need to start using your ScalperIntel indicator on NinjaTrader 8. Here's what we'll cover. First, how to check your NinjaTrader version and understand which licensing method to use. Next, how to download your purchase and find the correct files. Then, we'll show you how to import your indicator into NinjaTrader 8. After that, we'll guide you through license activation, including the new named user licensing system. And finally, we'll cover license management, migration, and how to update to the latest version. You can use the timeline below to skip to the section you need. Let's get started. Before we begin, you should know that ScalperIntel supports two types of licenses: named user licensing, which is the new and recommended method, and machine ID licensing, which is the legacy method for older NinjaTrader versions. To check your version of NinjaTrader, open the Control Center, go to Help, then About. If your version is 8.1.6.0 or newer, you can and should use named user licensing. If you're using an older version, you'll need to stick with machine ID licensing. You'll also need to find either your NinjaTrader user ID or machine ID. Both are listed in the same About screen. If you do not see or you forget your NinjaTrader user ID, you can log in at account.ninjatrader.com. Go to Settings, then Profile, and you'll find your email address listed there. Once you complete your purchase, your downloads will be available in two ways. First, on the thank you page immediately after checkout. Click the button labeled Access Downloads and Manage Licenses to go straight to your account. Second, check your email inbox. Look for the email titled, "Your ScalperIntel downloads are ready," and click Access Downloads. In both cases, if you're not already logged in, the system will prompt you to log in using a one-time code sent to your email. After logging in, you'll arrive at your customer account dashboard. There, you can view your orders, download files, and activate your licenses. Click on any order to open the order details page. You'll see your files, your license activation section, and your order summary. The Download Files section includes two versions of each indicator. The named user license version will have UI in the file name, and the machine ID version will have II. To make sure you download the correct file, first check your NinjaTrader version again. If your version is 8.1.6.0 or higher, download the file labeled with UI. This is for named user licensing. If your version is older, download the file labeled with II. That's the legacy machine ID version. Once identified, click Download and save the zip file to your desktop or another easy-to-access folder. After downloading the file, it's time to import your indicator into NinjaTrader 8. Then open NinjaTrader 8. In the Control Center, click on Tools, then Import, then NinjaScript add-on. Select the zip file you downloaded and follow the prompts. You'll see a confirmation when the import is successful. Now let's activate your license. Open your order again and scroll to the ScalperIntel license activation section. Choose which license type you want to activate. Option 1. Named user license. This method is automatic and supports self-service. First, select named user license. Then enter your NinjaTrader user ID email. Confirm it and click Update. Activation is instant. Just restart NinjaTrader to apply the change. And with this license, you can use your license on up to 2 machines concurrently with the same NinjaTrader user ID. Option 2. Machine ID license. For older NinjaTrader versions, choose Machine ID license. Copy your machine ID from NinjaTrader Control Center, then click on Help, then About, and paste it into the activation portlet. Click Update. The system will queue your request for manual approval and activate a temporary trial in the meantime. Once you receive the confirmation email, restart NinjaTrader. If after restart the trial message still appears, use the third-party licensing method instead. For third-party licensing, go to NinjaTrader Control Center. Click on Help, then Third-Party Licensing. Enter the vendor name exactly as ScalperIntel. Case-sensitive, with capital S and I and no spaces. Enter your chosen user-defined ID, like your email username, then click Submit. Copy the generated machine ID and go back to the license activation portlet. Select Machine ID License and paste the generated third-party licensing machine ID and click Submit. If you ever need to update your license, the process is quick and straightforward. For named user licenses, you might need to update your license if you plan to move it to another NinjaTrader 8 account or if you've changed your NinjaTrader user ID email. Simply log in to your ScalperIntel customer account, open your order, and enter your new NinjaTrader user ID. You can do this up to 2 times before needing assistance from our support team. For machine ID licenses, you may need to update your license more frequently. This is because the machine ID can change after Windows updates, hardware upgrades, or when switching to a new computer. Each license includes 3 free machine ID updates. If you use all 3, you'll be prompted to purchase additional activations directly from your account. To update, copy your new machine ID, open your order, and paste it into the activation portlet. Once processed, you'll receive a confirmation email. Then simply restart NinjaTrader to apply the changes. When a new version of your indicator is available, you'll receive an email notification. You can also find the latest version anytime by logging into your ScalperIntel customer account. If you've saved any custom property templates, we recommend backing them up first. To do that, go to your Documents folder, then open the NinjaTrader 8 directory. From there, go inside the Templates folder, then into Indicator, and locate the folder named after your ScalperIntel product. Copy that folder and save it to your desktop or another safe location. You can also zip the folder if you prefer to keep a compressed backup. Next, open NinjaTrader. Click on the Tools menu, then select Remove NinjaScript Assembly. From the list, find your existing ScalperIntel indicator, select it, and click Remove. Now go back to your customer account, open your order, and download the updated zip file that matches your license type. Finally, import the new version using the same process you followed earlier in this video. If you backed up templates, you can now restore them by pasting the folder back into the same location, or simply unzip the backup if you used a compressed file. That's it! We hope this guide helps you install, activate, and get the most out of your ScalperIntel indicators. Remember, named user licensing is the recommended method for NinjaTrader 8.1.6.0 and above. It gives you real-time activation, support for 2 machines, and full self-service license management. If you need assistance, just log into your account and click on Support to chat with our AI bot or submit a ticket. Thank you for choosing ScalperIntel. Wishing you success in your trading journey.